Litecoin, or LTC. Litecoin is a cryptocurrency that, like Bitcoin, offers peer-to-peer, near-instant, and almost zero-cost payments to anyone in the world. Created by Charlie Lee, who has worked for Google and Coinbase, Litecoin is an open-source global payment network that is fully decentralized without any central authority. The network is secured by cryptography and empowers individuals to control their own finances. Litecoin was inspired by Bitcoin and in technical details is nearly identical to the king of cryptocurrencies. The main differences between Litecoin and Bitcoin are in the confirmation time and the consensus algorithm used. Historically, the average confirmation time for a Bitcoin transaction has been around 10 minutes, while Litecoin boasts an average confirmation time of 2.5 minutes. While Bitcoin uses the long-standing SHA-256 consensus algorithm, Litecoin uses a relatively new algorithm called script. The main difference in these algorithms is in the mining of coins. Bitcoin miners can use dedicated and efficient mining machines called ASICs, while Litecoin can't be mined with ASICs, encouraging mining with traditional CPUs and GPUs, making mining more accessible. Interesting facts. Litecoin is called the silver to Bitcoin's gold. Like Bitcoin, Litecoin has also integrated the SegWit protocol, mainly because it allows the Lightning Network to be built on top of it. Litecoin is able to handle higher transaction volumes. The network is planned to produce 84 million Litecoins, which are 4 times as many currency units as Bitcoin. In February of 2018, Litecoin had a hard fork, and Litecoin Cash was created. Litecoin Cash moved from the script algorithm back to SHA-256 algorithm, and as a result, the founders expect Litecoin Cash to become faster than the original Litecoin in the future.